Number 1. BAYRAKTAR TB2. The BAYRAKTAR TB2 is a tactical unmanned aerial vehicle system designed by Baykar Makina for the Turkish Armed Forces. It has a medium altitude and long-range capability (MALE). In June 2020, BAYRAKTAR TB2 became the first domestically constructed aerial vehicle in the country to attain the milestone of 200,000 operational flight hours. The BAYRAKTAR TB2 UAV can carry a payload of 150 kilograms and can fly at any time of day or night. A 100-horsepower internal combustion engine drives a two-bladed variable pitch propeller in the power plant. The tactical UAV can fly at a maximum altitude of 27,030 feet and has a range of more than 150 kilometers. It has a top speed of 70 to 120 kilometers per hour and a 27-hour endurance. Number 2. X-658 Valkyrie. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions is working with the Air Force Research Laboratory to build XQ-58A Valkyrie, a high subsonic long-range strike unmanned aerial vehicle. The low-cost unmanned combat aerial vehicle is designed to achieve better operational flexibility and utility to the warfighter in surveillance, intelligence, and long-range combat missions. The UAV is 9.14 meters long and has an 8.2-meter wingspan. The aircraft's dry weight is 1,134 kilograms and its maximum takeoff weight is 2,722 kilograms. The XQ-58A Valkyrie is propelled by a turbofan engine with a maximum thrust of 200 pounds. Mach 0.72 is the cruise speed of the unmanned combat aerial vehicle. It can work at elevations ranging from 50 feet to 4,500 feet. The UAV has a maximum range of 5,556 kilometers or 3,000 nautical miles. Number 3. AKSUNGUR. Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI) manufactured the TAI AKSUNGUR unmanned aerial vehicle for the Turkish Armed Forces. According to published reports, the aircraft will have a mission endurance window of roughly 24 hours and will fly to altitudes of 40,000 feet. Early versions will be powered by a 170-horsepower German Theolert Centurion 4-cylinder engine, while plans are in the pipeline for Turkish local industry to eventually take over and build a similar 170-horsepower turbo diesel design. It is believed that by the end of the project, an engine capable of producing upwards of 220 horsepower will have been developed. AKSUNGUR will be able to carry a wide range of missiles thanks to its 750-kilogram combat payload. These include Roketsan's UMTAS anti-tank missiles with tandem warhead against reactive explosive armor, which are improved Mk-82 class bombs with joint direct attack weapon specifications thanks to GPS/INS enhancements. Number 4. MQ-25 Stingray. Boeing is developing the MQ-25 Stingray, a next-generation unmanned aerial refueling aircraft for the U.S. Navy's Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System (CBARS) program. The Unmanned Aerial Vehicle (UAV) will provide the U.S. Navy with carrier-based unmanned aerial refueling capability. The MQ-25A can transport up to 6,800 kilograms, 15,000 pounds of fuel over a distance of 926 kilometers or 500 nautical miles. It can refuel fighter jets like the FA-18 Super Hornet, EA-18G Growler, and F-35C, extending their range and time in the air greatly. The autonomous aircraft will be propelled by a Rolls-Royce AE3007N engine that produces over 10,000 pounds of thrust and additional electrical power. The latest member of the AE3007 family of high-bypass turbofan engines is the AE3007N. Number 5. BAYRAKTAR AKINCI. BAYRAKTAR AKINCI is a long-range unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV created by Baykar Makina, a Turkish drone company. The combat drone is 12.2 meters long, 4.1 meters tall, has a wingspan of 20 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms. It is capable of taking off and landing on a runway. The drone can carry a payload of up to 1,350 kilograms, which includes a simultaneous electro-optic infrared laser designation system, multi-mode active electronically scanned array radar, and signals intelligence system. It will be equipped with a variety of armaments, including laser-guided smart munitions, missiles, and long-range standoff weapons. AKINCI is propelled by two turboprop engines with a combined output of 450 horsepower. There is also the option of installing 750 horsepower engines or locally built 240 horsepower engines. The unmanned vehicle will be capable of cruising at speeds between 130 and 195 km per hour with a range of 5,000 km and a battery life up to 24 hours. Number 6. Loyal Wingman. Boeing Australia is working with the Royal Australian Air Force to develop Loyal Wingman, a new unmanned aerial vehicle UAV. The drone is 11.7 meters long and 7.3 meters wide. The UAV will be able to fly at subsonic speeds and have a range of over 2,000 kilometers. The AI-assisted autonomous aircraft will be able to fly alone while maintaining a safe distance from manned planes. Sensors will be installed in swappable modules on the unmanned aircraft system. With the use of modular ATS payloads aboard several drones, it allows a manned aircraft to conduct surveillance, navigation, and tactical operations at the same time. Number 7. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is the U.S. Air Force's primary offensive strike unmanned aerial vehicle. It has a unique capability to perform strike, coordination, and reconnaissance against high-value, transient, and time-sensitive targets due to its substantial loiter duration, wide-range sensors, multi-mode communication suite, and precise weaponry. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, buddy laser, convoy raid overwatch, route clearing, target development, and terminal air guiding are all missions and duties that Reapers may undertake. External fuel tanks capable of holding 1,300 pounds of gasoline have also been added to the MQ-9 to allow for longer-range missions. For global deployment, the remotely piloted aircraft can be disassembled and put into a single container. The C-130 Hercules or a larger aircraft may transport the full system. Number 8. Predator Sea Avenger. The Predator Sea Avenger is a next-generation, multi-mission, jet-powered unmanned aircraft system designed and manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems to give the U.S. Air Force and other allied forces with extended quick response and enhanced combat capabilities. The unmanned aerial vehicle is 13 meters long and has a 20-meter wingspan. The UAS's maximum overall takeoff weight is 8,255 kilograms, while its fuel carrying capacity is 3,583 kilograms. The internal and overall payload capacity are respectively 1,588 kilograms and 2,948 kilograms. A hybrid electro-mechanical anti-lock brake system is installed on the UAS. The Pratt & Whitney PW545B turbofan engine powers the Predator Sea Avenger, generating 20 kilowatts of redundant power and 4,800 pounds of thrust. The maximum airspeed of the UAS is 400 knots, with a normal dash speed of 350 knots. It can fly up to 50,000 feet in the air and stay in the air for up to 18 hours. Number 9. X-47B. Northrop Grumman's X-47B is an unmanned combat air system carrier, UCAS, for the U.S. Navy. The unmanned aircraft is 38.2 feet long with a 62.1-foot wingspan. The aircraft's form was created with stealth and low observable relevant needs in mind. Weapons weighing up to 4,500 pounds can be stored in the weapons bay. The Pratt & Whitney F100 PW220U engine and exhaust system power the X-47B. The aircraft has a range of roughly 2,100 nautical miles and a high subsonic speed of approximately 0.45 Mach. The UCAS can fly up to 40,000 feet in the air. Number 10. RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is an elevated, long-range unmanned aircraft system with a combined sensor suite that offers global intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capability. Using images intelligence and signals intelligence sensors, the Global Hawk augments human and space reconnaissance systems by providing continual, near real-time coverage. The RQ-4 Worldwide Hawk is a remotely piloted, high-altitude, long-endurance aircraft with an integrated sensor suite that offers global intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capability in all weather conditions, day or night. In 2014, RQ-4 Block 40 set a new endurance record for a U.S. Air Force aircraft by flying for 34.3 hours without refueling.